East Cape is surrounded by sea and also the mainland. So they have this well water and they've been drinking water from the well, which is contaminated and dirty.
The well has been used as the main source of water through buckets and balas where ropes are tied and thrown down to fetch water, to do laundry. And when West goes to West, maybe sometimes they do drink.
It was hard and there were a lot of skin diseases that people were developing because of the water. The water is not clean up there, and they go and they wash, they fetch water for drinking, for cooking, for washing clothes.
It was very, very hard for them, especially for the people in East Cape, because it's a dugout well and very dirty. People at East Cape and the islanders do not drink that much water because they don't have that much clean water. The people got used to it.
East Cape is one of the wards in Maramatana LFG, and Alotau district has 7 local level governments. District Development Authority Board decided that we will fund water supply projects in every ward. We have 157 wards in Alotau district, and we saw that water is a basic need and a necessity, but we also want to provide water where there is a lot of women and children that have suffered because of water problems. And so I think in 2016 I met up with Matt Scott, who is the manager of the YWAM shipping, and Matt actually introduced me to Moerk Water.
It was Matt Scott's idea that we bring the project to a place where school, health and people. I chose East Cape because people were coming from all over Milne Bay Islands. East Cape connects the people to the mainland and Alotau town.
And that's how we brought Moerk Water in, and through our discussions, they were able to help us supply some of the best water desalination and purification machines.
So we've installed a machine that not only supplies water, but it also purifies it, and that's comes under the health organizations. I think that's the requirement that all districts should be approaching the method. The engineering part of it is not that complicated. So it's powered by solar and bore water to pump into a machine that purifies and then access for the public through taps. So
yeah, we have 8 solar panels on top and 2 24 volts battery. So if I don't run it on automatic, like in using electricity automatically, I can run it manually. So right now I'm using it on a manual process.
Moerk Water sent in Daniel, a water engineer, chairman, and he came and did training for the operators plus maintenance of the machine.
About 5 of us, the engineer trained us on how to operate a machine. And when it's dirty, he also showed us how to remove the machine itself, clean it and install it again.
At first I really find it that I really struggle, but as day goes by I just try my best to, keep on trying until I can really operate it.
But through this machine, they were able to purify it and produce very good, clean drinking water. And it's been a help to the community, and the district was able to provide it for our people.
we mainly deal with gravitational water supply projects all around the 7 energies. Up until 2019, that's where Moerk came in. Our idea of water supply started to shift from there when we started using the distillation machines. So we found out that the approach that we've been taking, though we provided the service, the water supply, but then when it comes to the quality of water for our people, I think Moerk is the better solution to what we have been offering.
Children taking the water, they are no longer getting sick. No diarrhea, no headaches, no malaria even. That's what the headmaster said to me. Now the children are all healthy and they are going to school. Attendance has improved for Escape Primary School.
They're drinking a lot more because the water is now safe to drink.
This is the only source of water here in Escape, and it benefits the whole community. Even students, every day they drink water from it, and church, health, even people from outside the community, they come in, fetch their water, take it out. And now, since it was installed last year, until now, we are still using the water.
Yeah, back in those days when I hear that students go home because of water problems, when the machine was here, they relieve the bit. They go as far as 1, 2, knowing that there's water here. So that has helped a bit in terms of learning the classes during dry season especially.
Water is also very much needed in the labor ward, where we deal with mothers and especially with blood. Water has been a very essential for us within our workplace. And in times when there is dry spells, it is quite hard for our work. Otherwise, with the project that has seen as a great help, especially in times when we are in the dry spell and we don't have enough water.
So I think Escape project is one of the best choice that we ever made. I think the district administrator and the Moerk itself, company.
A lot of project lasted because people took ownership, and it's been maintained, supported by the government, especially the Alotau district.
Sometimes people come and ask me, are you paid on this? It sounds nonsense. I don't really answer their question, and I don't really bother. I know the water is also life. Without water, you will never exist even a day.